Wajir Governor Ahmed Abdillahi says a move by some elected leaders from Wajir to withdraw their support for him is a desperate attempt to divert attention following Sunday's endorsement by elders of the Degodia clan. Abdillahi spoke after chairman of the Wajir parliamentary group Mohamed Elmi said they were withdrawing support for Governor Abdillahi for allegedly failing to meet the aspirations of the electorate. Patrick Amimo delves deeper into the divisions over the Wajir County top seat.
The Serena Hotel in Nairobi is where 4 elected members of parliament, a nominated senator and about 20 members of the Wajir County Assembly, led by Deputy Governor Abdillahi, converged to denounce their governor Ahmed Abdillahi. In a joint statement read by chairman of Wajir parliamentary group Mohamed Elmi, the leaders accused the governor of failing to facilitate devolution.
We have formally withdrawn our support to the incumbent Governor Ahmed Abdillahi of Wajir for failing to uphold and living to the aspirations of people of Wajir County by shifting and blatantly ignoring the principles of devolution.
This leadership, as you see in front of you, brought together different communities, shared out elective positions, and as a result, the current governor and his team were elected.
For the last 6 months, I have not spoken with the governor. He has turned the county as his own kind of personal property, where he is the sole decision maker in everything. He is the procurement manager, he is the finance manager, he is the accountant, he is the governor, he is the deputy governor, he is everything.
The Wajir governor was attending an ODM meeting in Naivasha en route to Nakuru for the devolution conference Monday and issued a quick rejoinder.
This is a desperate attempt by some members of parliament to try and divert attention from the mega endorsement that happened on Sunday in Wajir by elders of the Degodia community. And these are the same people who have fought me for the last 4 years, who have tried to derail our work on the ground.
The Degodia Council of Elders is split on the choice of gubernatorial aspirant. Chairman of the Degodia Council of Elders, Ibrahim Hussein, supports the incumbent, while a section of elders have defected and now support former minister and ambassador to Saudi Arabia, Mohamed Abdi Mahmoud. The incumbent governor comes from the Degodia clan. His other competitors from the clan include economist Abdi Salah Sheikh and ambassador Mohamed Abdi. The Ogaden clan has endorsed Ahmed Mohamed Sheikh for governor. The Ajuran clan has endorsed Governor Abdillahi to run for the second term. Though Ambassador Mohamed Abdi attended the Nairobi meeting, leaders here did not disclose whether he will be the one to face off with the incumbent. In the 2013 polls, Mohamed Abdi contested on a URP ticket and was trounced by Abdillahi on ODM ticket.
We are no longer with the incumbent governor, His Excellency Ahmed Abdillahi. We are firmly declaring that soon we will be unveiling a different lineup, and that will be the line to watch in 2017.
And those who are opposed to me have every right to come together, design, concoct their lineup, and I also have the right to do the same. And the endorsements that I need are the ones that I have attained thus far on the ground from the elders and the women leaders and the youth leaders that matter.
The governor urged the leaders to sell their policies to residents of Wajir.
The elections for Wajir County will be held in Wajir County. They will not be held in Isli or in hotels in Nairobi.